Cybertron, my home. I was once a courageous leader during our time. One of the strongest. Second in command to the Decepticons. Then, I crossed the line. I messed with Megatron. And he destroyed me. He removed my T-cog, the ability that allows me to transform. And in turn, banished me to this planet. I don't know what exactly I'm expected of here. But I know this. I, Air Commander Starscream, will not cower so easily. This, I can promise. So, there's the stamping, which has been... Where are we? Wait. Probably don't need that yet. What's this? Seems to be getting louder from here. They're coming from this direction. What the fudge? Hello.
Yeah? All right.
What do we have? Give up.
May the gods watch over your battles, friend. Huh?
Oh, here's the chest. Okie dokie. So that's that settled. Should probably go sell some of my stuff. And then deal with...
Well, one of us has to do something.
I said no. No adventures, no theatrics, no thief chasing.
Well, what are you going to do then, huh? Let's hear it.
We are done talking about this. Oh, a customer. Sorry you had to hear that. Yeah, well, I don't know what you overheard, but the Riverwood Trader is still open. Feel free to shop.
Did something happen?
Yeah, we did have a bit of a break-in, but we still have plenty to sell. Robbers were only after one thing. An ornament, solid gold in the shape of a dragon's claw.
Huh. I can get that back easily.
You could? I've got some coin coming in from my last shipment. It's yours if you bring my claw back. Now, if you're going to get those thieves, you should head to Bleak Falls Barrow, northeast of town.
I'm up the
Yes.
hill.
So now you don't have to go, do you?
Huh?
Oh, really? Well, I think your new helper here needs a
No, I
guide.
don't.
No,
I don't.
Bye,
Goodbye. Alright. See you in a sec, home. Let's head on. Wait. I just remembered. Why exactly do I need to carry a weapon? I'm... I scare all the pretties. How's this? Stupid rabbit. What is this? Where? What is this? Is this someone's home? Hello? Hello? Going in. Is there even anyone up here? No. Alright. What's this? Explorer's Guide to Skyrim. Blah 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 blah. That'd be good to read. As well that. Probably. Got to read that later. Well, let's just continue on my way. That was interesting. Or if I have to. Can't bother swimming. I'm gonna go for a jog. Besides, need to stretch my legs. Don't like being stuck in a caravan. That was sort off. That wasn't fun. I did not enjoy that one little bit. I will admit, this world's actually very beautiful. What in the name is... Bring it. Broke your face. And you're dead. What is this place? I can remember where it is. Hello, pup.
Stupid dog. Need something?
Come on, stupid dog. So you stupid little kid. You don't listen to him. Think of anyone stupid at you, mate. Let's see what's going on. What is this place?
Good afternoon.
Hello. Place is very nice.
Yes? Hmm? Until next time.
Why is your name? Your name cannot be Samson. That is stupid. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Need something?
Thank you.
Need something?
Ah, my own personal kingdom. Perfect. Bored now. Why is everyone hitting on the dogs? That's cool. Ollie! Well. Okay, I'm gonna have a look around. Right, downstairs? What's this? Whoa! What in the arc? We got a problem with the door! This is... No way, that's a bookshelf. That is not a bookshelf. Well, I got all the ingots in the world. Ebony, that's gold. Moonstone. Malachite. Orichalcum. Don't let Valtor get it. Quicksilver. Dwarven metal. Wow. Now where are we?
Yes? Good afternoon.
Can I craft anything? Well, there's that. There are a lot of packages. A lot of them. I have no clue where I am. I live here now!